bike check, you guys today. Got my ODI long necks and Aaron Ross double space bars. Odyssey Lincoln stem. Yeah, right there. It's pretty good. Odyssey Director forks. Yeah. Aaron Ross Sunday Fun Day 2 in silver. Got my Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub with some G-Sport birdcage rim. Odyssey Aaron Ross tire.
The back now?
G-Sport ratchet in the back. And another birdcage with another Aaron Ross tire. And it's pretty dialed, you know. Alright, now I'm gonna do a scooter check. Scooter check for you guys.
Scooter check.
Scooter check. Right here. My scooter, you know. So I got the Colt grips and the Proto Slayers, baby Slayers. My Tilt SCS and my Tilt headset. The Lucky SMX forks and the Tilt pegs front and back. Got the Proto grippers front and back, 110, smooth. Got the black TSI threshold deck and no brake. I don't like brakes on the scoots. And some Grizzly grip, and it's pretty dialed. Alright, now for some clips on my bike and my scooter. First up, it's the bike.
Oh. Dude, you almost had it, man.
I know, dude. Alright, let's do some scooter clips.
Dude, you okay? You okay? Fellow friend.
Some scooter clips, you know? I'm a little bit better on my scooter. Alright, let's go.
Grind his bars. Grind his bars. Grind his bars. Grind his bars.
Alright, don't forget to subscribe. It's up there somewhere. Like, thumbs up, and yeah, it's my scooter. My bike. Bike's over there. See you guys next time. That's all I got for you today. Love you guys.